Okay, this is Haley with her eyes open. And she's got the hiccups again. We'll look at her cute little outfit here. Oop, there's her feet. Hi, Haley. Are you hanging out? What? Yeah, your eyes are open. And you've got the hiccups. Oh, I look like shit. Don't tell me.
Oh, good thing to be on the camera.
Oh.
Megan said she looks like S. You're such a good example for Haley.
Yeah. Shit.
Hey, you said it again.
I did.
Such a bad example.
Oh, look at those hiccups.
What are you looking at? What are you
Is that
looking
your dad? Where's your dad?
He's here.
Where's your dad?
Right here. See how we did
He's
that?
silly.
See how we did
He's
that?
so silly.
And stop recording.